So exciting news, actually. I went ahead and bought something I really needed. I kept going to Uhaul for this, and now I bought one for myself. This is obviously a bought a trailer. Yes, the wheels are off. They're inside. I'm putting the tires on it as we speak. So now I gotta figure out how to jack it back up because it looks like it's sank. But guys, I bought this for $1,500, brand new paint. The boards I need to find a way to secure down. It looks like they were just sitting in there. Then I might also cut this part off here just so I can open my door easier. But today I'm gonna be putting some, well, not putting, but I gotta make some hooks to go right here so I can actually load the car. So I got some angle iron. I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own DIY car trailer ramps. Well, that is the new purchase. The Fox body has been sitting outside looking all pretty, and my garage has been pretty much just overrun with stuff and pretty much just destroyed. So there's the angle iron. So let's go ahead, get this whole place cleaned up, and finally get to work. It feels good to kind of have my garage back. I kind of pushed everything backwards, and I finally have a work area to work with. So now, okay, so what I am doing on my car ramps, I'm gonna make them 6 feet long, as I was saying. So what I'm doing is pretty much taking these two, cutting these two into 8-inch pieces, and putting, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of those in the middle to pretty much brace everything up. So pretty much what I'm gonna be doing now is measuring out. So these are 6 feet, so 6 feet divided by, obviously, it's like 72 inches divided by 8 is 6 feet, so if you cut them into 8 slices of pretty much I'm gonna cut down, mark 8 inches, use the cutter blade here that you guys can't really see, there it is, cut them down, and then start welding. So let's go ahead, get the cutting, and make sure this thing looks pretty, because I had the dyno on Monday, and I gotta drop it off on Sunday, tomorrow, today's Saturday. Once you got them all cut and make sure they're good and straight, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up with the grinder and really just make sure they're even. See, you can see like the flaking from the middle now being straight cut. So I'm just going to take the grinder and clean them up a little bit. That one's really bad, isn't it? Got them all tops cleaned up. Looking all nice and neat now. That one is a little bit bigger than the other ones. I couldn't tell you why though. Like, if you match it up, the thing's like 1/4 of an inch bigger. So I guess I'll go ahead and put this back on there and cut it down. Now that I got that one cut, now I can take this one, big long one, set it on the table. And what I'm gonna do now is mark out the 8 inches again, and then start tack welding them on. Then grab the other one and then start tacking that one on the other side here. Well, I pretty much got this row done. Now I just gotta do the other side. Well, I'm starting to make the second one now. I can show you the actual finished product. Kind of finished product, but there's this. I got it painting or drying right now. I just painted it. I'm gonna hit it with another coat of the flats. But I kind of forgot, I need to make the, I kind of want to just block this off here on this side, sorry. And pretty much like hook it to where it hooks onto the trailer on the back half. I would show you, but it's kind of like dark outside. Might as well actually show you guys. You guys probably can't even see me. Alright, so we're going back here to the old trailer. Okay, so right here on the back half, where it actually hooks down for the actual hook. So I'm gonna have to make something that just clicks right down and just pretty much hold on for dear life when I'm putting the car on. Next morning, now is Sunday. I need to get these ramps made. Well, they're pretty much made, as you guys can see there. This one's pretty much finished. I think all I gotta do is cut like the lip open to actually like make it to where it sits on there, and then cut those at an angle so those, you know, can be on the ground. But I gotta weld this piece onto here, and then that's done, and then just hit it with some paint. Because I made them pretty, made them look black. Yes, they are super narrow. I just now noticed that. I could have made them 5 feet and maybe like 12 inches wide. I should have done that. I can do it next time. But I ran out of wire again. Okay, I'm glad I bought 2 of them. But now I need to go ahead and get that done and get this thing ready to go. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take all the wood off, and, well, not all of it, but I'm gonna try to see how that one obviously sits down. So I'm gonna put that one the other way, and then hopefully everything just starts lining up, and I can probably put some actual like security bolts down so it actually stays there, and then maybe finish, like put some finish on this wood because it does look old and untreated. Now I know the last time I hooked this trailer up when I took it home, I wasn't getting any power. So I'm hoping, yeah, that's in there pretty good. I'm hoping to actually, if you can see this, when they painted it, they painted the whole connector and it does not look healthy either. And just double check everything. So let's go ahead and check the lights. We'll just turn on the lights and the hazards. I got nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and splice in a new connector. That way the connections are all good, and I know for a fact we're gonna, have a good connector, I guess. So after 3 hours of diagnosing everything that's going on, I ended up just putting new trailer lights on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, nice. And those seem to be working. All right, go ahead and hit the brake. Ooh, 1. And then 2, right side. Oh, left side. Woo. And bam, that's it. Now, I need to now notch out the little grooves, I would assume, to actually get the car ramps on, and then we got to get this car in there. I got like 1 hour before I got to leave to actually go get this thing dynoed. Sadly, I can't even film it, and I wanted it to be there, so like kind of sad news. So you guys will just see the numbers. So let's go ahead and get this the ramps cut out and made, and then get the car on the trailer. Look how legit that is. Got a sticker on there, little reflectors. Oh boy, now we got a trailer. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that. Who's a fabricator? Say it. You. Who's a fabricator? Well, I gotta do the second one, and hopefully that one works as good as this one. Here, I'm at Polk Performance. It's a little weird to actually look at, but hey, car's here, car made it. So guys, leave down below what you guys think it's actually going to make horsepower wise. So I'll give you a hint. It's got a stock 5.3 out of a 2004 Suburban. It's got a BTR Stage 4 cam, truck cam. It's got eBay twin turbos, which are like 70 AR. I don't know what mil that's going to be, but leave it down below. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are not, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.